Hello everyone, welcome back to Project Zomboid on this mighty rainy day, where we're gonna treat our character a little bit. Let's see, because I think I put it here. Grab one. Grab one. By having him smoke. I know that's not the way you'd probably expect someone to say, let's treat our characters, let's give him some lung disease, but he is a smoker. Let him... Should probably clean ourselves again. We have some soap, don't we? Grab some soap. Still have a little bit of soap left. We clean now, we clean. Alright. But like you can see, it's a very rainy day. Which means we're not going to go out much. My thought is to continue on in here. However, we are running out of viable options. I'm going to check something. Not super important. I'm going to check if we can get out of this. Did I throw away the key for this car? Really? Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Okay, I hate this. I hate this. I hate myself for what I've done here. Go back inside. Rainy day. Much use for it. We have some like fun videos that are also a bit peckish. Not sure if we have any ice cream. Might have eaten. For sure we've. However, I feel like we should give our character a bit of a treat. We should not have want take some of the sliced bread, take some bacon. Take some processed cheese. Take some tomato. Okay, I think this is fine. Where's a knife? We have some a knife here. Put this in a freezer or in the oven. Okay. Let's see. Craft. Cooking. I want to make a hamburger. Or can I not make a burger? Really? This makes me a little bit upset. I wanted to make a hamburger for him. I gotta eat this now, otherwise it kind of goes to waste a little bit. That makes me upset. I'm gonna recheck something. I don't think we own a hammer. We do own saws. We just don't own a hammer for it. Let's see. Ammunition. Forge metal body armor. That's fire. That's so cool. We don't have the nails or the hammer for this. We can put a filter on the respirator. Very good. Repair some things. We can make molds. Open box. Yeah, that's not worth it. We can break some bones, but again, most of this needs a hammer. We do not own a hammer. We can do this. Train our mantling skills a bit. Okay, we do it with a hairdryer. Carving. I mean, we need a knife for that, which we do. We can carve some. You can carve a wooden mask. That's hilarious. I love that. We even make some of these bellows and presses, I think. Okay, very interesting. In there. There. This is just time to go. Even if I'm going to get wet. This is not going to stop for a while. Just going to have to. Let's just run. As long as the storm doesn't get worse. Good. I'm going to go all the way to the house with the garage. I'm sprinting. Not that worried about getting exhausted because I know we're going to have a place to rest with relative safety. Zombie still chilling in there. We'll see when he destroys that. It'll be our problem. Heard a zombie lunge. There was no zombie in sight. So. For me, maybe. Back home. We're back. This house. Take a little bit of a rest. You can actually turn on and put on life and live. Just in case I rest. Hey. This is our goal. This is a little bit in between house. So we go that way. To that house. Mind you, the zombies here have not been cleared, so running is ill-advised. See no zombies. Look, this is the relaxing life people live. You should try to play this more often. Play it casually instead of to bust my ass off. Bam. Close this. Wow, this is actually godly. Look, I don't... That was whoa, hi there. Sorry to invade your house. But, you know, you're a zombie, so you aren't gonna... See if there's anything in here. Snow shovel isn't too bad. Any kind of shovels. Damn, these books were good. Didn't expect an actual good haul with this. Especially such a small house. Survivor home. That is a survivor. Question is, maybe. Big chance the answer on that is going to be no, but But we're gonna have a check nonetheless. Oh, we crushed their head in one. We're gonna start with the front door. I mean, everything else is barricaded. This doesn't look to be. Not open. This is barricaded. This is a big ass fence. Just gonna have to count on these guys destroying the house. Or on us finding a hammer. Or a generator. I'm gonna smash the window. What we're looking for, not bad. Because, well, there is a generator. Very heavy. But should definitely take this back home. Again, we need hammer. But this generator is pretty good to have. I'm gonna run all the way back here and drop the generator. Well, this kind of gives us an in-between place so that I don't have to run all the way back with the generator. Just kind of drop it, put it there, down there somewhere, recover. Then if we're done, we're going to go. Give him both hands. Through. Goes this. But finding a generator is very good. We don't know how to put it like connected yet, but I'm not gonna say, oh no, a generator. Hey. Survive, bro. Hello. All over, please. Thank you. I also know why I recognize it. Because this place is where I had a multiplayer base. But because we can't enter there yet, we're going to go see if we can find a hammer. Because this is a garage. You have a garage. That's not a garage. Stupid. Okay, don't fall over while you weren't watching it. Normally they should fall forward and then we can just kill them. But no. No. Game dislikes me. So didn't do that. Decided to let them live. For literally 2 milliseconds longer. Oh, we like a lighter. That's pretty good. Up. Who's up here? I hear someone's up here. There we go. Hello. Come on. Here. One really. Very tiny. We're going to cross this off. can also go out through the front door. Why the frick are you guys all there? Out of one of the doors, maybe? Really? There's clearly a farmer bit. Just deal with it. Let's try how strong they are. We've got a weapon. I immediately miss. Okay, I didn't even need to do that. Those other zombies are oblivious AF. Oh. Ooh, they got work boot. Again, we're taking all of the work boot. Reason not to. Finally. To go? Let's go. Taking these boots, they are getting heavy. So we're taking so much boots with us that we can't really take anything else. At least in this. Whoa, more zombies? Alright, let's go. Dead. And dead. Still, really want a hammer. That is a farming little place. There's chickens in there. I can pick up the chickens, maybe. Okay. Good. Take a fishing book. We are getting close to the more lootable areas. Which is definitely fine by me. Another bedroom, I imagine. 2. Ugh. Hate to be the siblings for that room. Okay. Pliers, we can take those. Have a look-see on the map. Looted this. I'm gonna sleep here? Honestly, not the worst idea. Using this as a safe space. Sure. Put some of our food here in the... Put our fresh food in the freezer. It doesn't spoil. Go. Okay, let's have a look-see. It is bubbling. It's boiling. We almost have it finished. Off. Eat it all. Right. We have some more stuff that's not in the food. Well, we use this base for now to be here. Grab some more loot, and then possibly if we get a hammer, open. I'm gonna go this way in the hopes that this is a hammer. Open that. Ow. Hate that. You somehow missed the stomp. Worst feeling in the world. We're not gonna need work boot. At least not ones with that. Close this for now. Okay. Add in my inventory, sure. Let's see. Chin. Chocolate. I like that. So little zombies, man. There's none. We're just living our life. Tired. Understandable. There's some chickens here. Iron pipe. We'll take a worn plank. All right. We'll take this just because boxes are good to have. Still, nothing we need. Kill some more zombies. Oh, crap. I didn't see you. See, I don't get that. I stomped him. I don't like fighting around this because it basically means that if a zombie jumps over, they can get me. Stay down. Feed package? That's good. I'm appreciative of that. How's our boots doing? Doing fine. Interesting. Can I pick this up? Where are the chickens, though? Is that a chicken? Can I put the chicken in my... Oh. I'll put the chicken down. But this is good to keep in mind. Let's go on the map and actually signify. There we go. Some pet stuff. Some logs here too, although that is not as important for it. What is important is that we still don't have a freaking hammer. I want a hammer, and I don't know why I don't have one. Wait, I was gonna run to this house, but this is that. Go in here. Close this. And I was like, oh, we can use this as a base for now, but with the amount of stuff we have, we might as well go. There you go. A little over encumbered. Take a little drink. Gonna sit and rest a bit. Okay. It's fine. That's all the rest we're gonna need. This isn't broken yet, but you know, it will be at some point. We'll just need to put the chickens somewhere. Put the chickens in a car. Or in my bag. Oink. Like, that's what I mean. If we had a hammer, we could even disassemble the door. Like, we wouldn't need to do all this looking for it. Guess we are going to need to find some stones. Because we can make a stone hammer. Just fine. And a stone hammer would allow us to disassemble that door, and there's gonna be some value. I have to believe that. We have no skill in foraging. That was good. I was just hoping to get lucky, get a stone, take the generator, and be massively over encumbered now. A little bit sad that I'm missing like the carry mod. Like I forgot that there were so few things you could actually visibly carry. There's a mod that just allows you to carry these things visually. Man, no car is really, really delaying our ability. Door's still not broken open either, so that zombie's still chilling inside. Which I do think is kind of funny. But, I mean, it was a great haul. I'm just a bit sad that we didn't manage to get that survivor home open. We're gonna get back pain, man. We are destroying our back. Let's be fair. Okay, so there is this, which we don't see if we jump on it. Still, maybe in build 43 in 2 years. Maybe. Let's drop the generator. Oh, you have a generator. Doing quite good in that department. This is all things that can spoil. These are all things that can speak. Problem. There we go, and one more. I think both of these can spoil. So, double food in the food. Yes. There we go. Materials in the material chest. And we're gonna go get some sleep. Go. Did I put the gas canister here? Yeah, I did. In there. There too. Gonna go. Equip this in both hands. Don't forget to put this chest. Those, which here. And books. Loads of books. Literature books, but also some skill books. Oh, our book thing is full. I guess it's technically not a book. Shelf. I forgot that books became heavier. It became 0.2 heavier in this episode. Which doesn't sound like much, and it isn't a lot. But it ticks. If you have 10 books, that's 2 pounds that saves. Okay, let's put the image I have of the cat and dog in here. The boots. We have so much boot at this point. We really should stop picking. My boots are still okay. Like, they're not even super bad. Okay, and last but not least, soap and lighters. Why do I put the lighters in here? Well, they're drink and sleep. And with that, I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next episode.